Are you ready to transform your garden into a lush paradise without spending a fortune? These 8 incredible gardening hacks will change the way you care for your plants, save you time, and make the most of what you already have at home. From speeding up composting to repelling pests naturally, these easy tricks will yield amazing results and breathe new life into your garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these tips are for you. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to gardening success. Number 1. Boost tomato growth with bone meal and compost. Tomatoes thrive when you set them up for success from the start. Here's a trick. When planting your tomato seedlings, add a generous handful of bone meal and compost to the planting hole. Bone meal, rich in phosphorus, supports strong root development, while compost provides a buffet of nutrients for sustained growth. Plant the seedling deeply, covering the lower stem to encourage extra root development. This will create a sturdy, nutrient-absorbing plant that rewards you with an abundant harvest of juicy, flavorful tomatoes. Number 2, use diluted milk to strengthen plants. Do you have some milk that's gone bad? Don't pour it out. It's a hidden gem for your plants. Mix 1 part spoiled milk with 10 parts water and use this solution as a spray for your garden. The calcium in milk strengthens plant cell walls, encouraging healthier growth and greater resistance to diseases. It's also a fantastic natural remedy for fungal issues like powdery mildew. This hack not only boosts your plants, but also ensures that spoiled milk doesn't go to waste. Healthy plants and a zero-waste lifestyle? That's a win-win! Hack 3. Speed up composting by burying. Kitchen waste. Composting doesn't have to take months to produce nutrient-rich soil. What if you could create fertile soil in just 4 weeks? Instead of piling your organic waste and waiting forever, dig a small trench or hole directly in your garden bed. Toss in uncooked kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, fruit cores, and eggshells. Once the hole is filled, cover it with soil. The magic happens underground, where the waste quickly decomposes, enriching the soil with organic nutrients. This method is fast, space-saving, and doesn't require a traditional compost bin. Plus, as your plants grow above, they benefit directly from the decomposing matter beneath. Hack 4. Repel pests and fertilize with wood ash. If you've burned wood in a stove or fire pit, don't throw away the ashes. They're pure gold for your garden. Wood ash serves 2 purposes: pest control and fertilizer. Sprinkle ash directly around your plants to repel pests like slugs and snails. Its abrasive texture and alkaline properties form a natural barrier. Additionally, you can dissolve wood ash in water and use it as a liquid fertilizer. Packed with potassium, it helps plants grow strong stems, bright flowers, and bountiful fruits. Wood ash also neutralizes overly acidic soil, making it more suitable for most plants. Hack 5. Transform old containers into compost makers. Got an old water tank or large container lying around? Repurpose it as a compost maker. Drill a large hole at the bottom for earthworms to access and smaller holes along the sides for ventilation. Place the container in a neglected corner of your garden and start layering kitchen scraps, garden waste, and dried leaves. Over time, the organic matter will break down into rich, dark compost. This DIY compost bin not only reduces waste, but also provides your garden with an endless supply of natural fertilizer. Number 6. Supercharge soil with biochar from charcoal. Take your gardening to the next level by making biochar. Start by crushing leftover charcoal into small pieces and soaking it in water. Add a layer of compost and let it sit for a week. This combination creates biochar, a powerhouse of beneficial microbes. When applied to your soil, biochar boosts microbial activity, improving nutrient absorption and soil fertility. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, and this simple hack can transform even poor soil into a nutrient-rich oasis. Hack 7. Fight pests. Naturally with garlic and chili spray. Pests invading your plants? Fight back naturally. Crush garlic and chili, mix them with water and a splash of vinegar, and let it sit for a couple of hours. Strain the mixture and spray it on your plants, or directly onto pests. The strong smell and compounds in garlic and chili repel insects, while vinegar enhances the solution's effectiveness. This eco-friendly hack protects your garden from harmful chemicals while keeping pests at bay. Number 8. Reuse kitchen waste as organic fertilizer. Your kitchen is full of hidden treasures for your garden. For instance, the water from rinsing rice is rich in starches that promote healthy soil microbes. Use it to water seedlings for a growth boost. Onion peels soaked in water for a week release nutrients that strengthen plants and ward off pests. Even expired oats can be soaked and transformed into a nutrient-packed liquid fertilizer. These simple steps turn kitchen waste into plant food, reducing waste while keeping your garden flourishing. These 8 hacks are practical, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your gardening routine. With just a little effort, you can save money, reduce waste, and nurture a healthier garden. If you love these tips, don't forget to subscribe, share, and check out my channel for more gardening insights and tutorials.